Alright guys, I'm back again. A little bit of a change on my box. Took out the flat wall, extended it as far back as I can, and it's trying to band pass 4th order. Someone in it. So with the 3000, it's still in the mid 40s, not bad. As you can see, the 4 Bd2 15s. Just a makeshift. Trying to see if I can squeeze them back there. It's not completely sealed yet. As you can see, the whole front wall baffle is 2x4s. It works. It's low and deep. Gotta finish it, trimming it and sealing it. It works. Brace. A notch down. We'll see if I can pick up some of the flex with this. See what I want to play. Machine Gun Kelly. I'm gonna play that right quick.
So cocky, the bouncers don't even stop me. Ain't no pat down, no ID. They know me, that shit crazy. Bitch, I'm packed out the lobby. Just from fans trying to find me. I got daughters and mothers trying to fuck with the gun. YouTube person. So much smoke here for purpose. I'm out west like the Trapper die shit, yeah. Everything 100, this ain't no facade shit. This that look me in my eyes and don't you fucking lie shit. Still don't need no opinions, bitch. Most these artists my minions. Whoa, yeah. Any weed around me finna get more. No lie, I'm on fire. Anybody need a realization that they fucking with the wrong guy. Camp of Sonic on the side, crumbling chronic on the tape. From the lyrics in the basement like I'm finna go Super Saiyan. I'm saying I ain't have a plan coming out the land. Hanging with my man, trying to sling a plan just to win a fan, just to try to talk. Cause I'm contemplating into couture, steal money from the shore. Look at all that I'm doing, all the years I couldn't afford. Send the Lord, we all not the same, say the fucking name.
Changing my doors again. Gotta finish them. Starting my doors. And then started my wall over. So I never finished my doors. But I'm gonna be running DS18s again. 8, 10.
Let's do this for real. Hey, supersonic, psychedelics, and some chronic. Still remain a trend.
Just another work in progress. I might get some more tins to fill in the center. But that's my little update for right now. As you see, rebuilding once again. This time it'll be DS18s and Audiopipe.